Now that the analysis is complete, we can start the design process. In the plan view, right-click on one of the secondary beams. Note that the program has assigned composite beam as the design procedure. Due to the fact that the beam lies in a horizontal plane, the ends are pinned, and it is an eye-shaped steel section. Review the information on the other tabs, and then click OK. Click the Options menu, Preferences, Composite Beam Design command, and make sure that the design code selected is AISC LRFD 93. Review the information on the other tabs and click OK. Set the 3D view to active and click on the Set Building View Options button. On the form, uncheck the All Null Areas box as well as the Object Fill box and apply to all windows. To start the design process, select Design menu, Composite Beam Design, Start Design Without Similarity. The program will design the composite beams, selecting the optimum size for each from the AComp Beam Auto Select section list. When the design is complete, the selected sizes are displayed on the model. Click the Design menu, Composite Beam Design, Verify Analysis versus Design Section command. The message displayed indicates that the members selected in the design phase differ from those used in the initial analysis. Our goal is to repeat the analysis and design procedures until the members in both are the same. Select No to continue our iteration, and right-click on one of the composite beams in the 3D view. You'll see that the analysis and design sections are not the same. The acceptable sections list shows all the members that are adequate for the design criteria. Click on the Details button, and the form displays all the design information about the beam. Review the information on the other tabs, and click on the X in the top right corner to close the form. To rerun the analysis using the members just selected in design, select the Analyze menu, Run Analysis command, and click on Run. Once the analysis is complete, click on the Design menu, Composite Beam Design, Start Design Without Similarity. Once the members have been designed, click the Design menu, Composite Beam Design, Verify Analysis versus Design Section command. All analysis and design sections now match. As a final check, select the Design menu, Composite Beam Design, Verify All Members Passed command. This shows that all members have passed the design check. Click the Select All button to select all the objects in the model. Click on the Design, Composite Beam Design, Make Auto Select Section Null command. And click OK to remove the Auto Select Section List assignments and replace them with the current design sections. Click the Clear Selection button. This completes our composite design. Next, we will design the steel frame portion of our building. Make the plan view active and right-click on a lateral force-resisting beam on one of the grid lines. Review the line information and note that the design procedure is steel frame. Change the 3D view to active and start the design by selecting the Design menu, Steel Frame Design, Start Design Check of Structure command. The initial design is complete, and this form indicates that the design sections chosen differ from those of the initial analysis, which were simply the median weight sections from the auto-select list. Change back to the plan view and click on Design menu, Steel Frame Design, Display Design Info. Make sure that the PM ratio is selected. The member design results are now displayed in the plan view. In the plan view, right-click on a primary beam to bring up the steel stress check form. Note that the analysis and design sections are different. Also note that the program automatically generated code-specific design load combinations. Click on the Details button to bring up a detailed calculation sheet for this beam, which can be printed out. Close these forms and select the Design menu, Steel Frame Design, select Design Combo command to review the load combinations. Highlight one design combo and then click Show to see the cases that make up this combination. Return to the Design menu, Design Steel Frame, verify Analysis versus Design Section command. As the design and analysis sections are different, we will need to rerun the analysis using the current design sections. Upon completion of the analysis, rerun the design and then verify that the analysis and design sections match. If they do not, perform this cycle once more. This concludes this tutorial.